So now let's discuss the hamstring release. The hamstrings are a very tendinous, large muscle group. In fact, one of the muscles actually turns into the tendons that connect in the knee, called the semitendinosus, and that area can get really tight and really sensitive. Usually if you have pain up high in the hamstring, which is the connection to the glute, or low by the knee, the belly of the muscle, which is the center of the muscle, is really the problem, and it's pulling down or pulling up on that connection. We never roll those really tendinous connections because you're not going to get a lot out of that, and it's just going to be very painful. So we try to release the belly of the muscle where the energy is stored. So what Gentry's going to do is she's going to place a lacrosse ball on a block. You can see this is a trigger point therapy block. You can also buy trigger point therapy balls. They're much more expensive, but well worth it. And she's going to mount herself from the side right in the belly of her hamstring. Right, exactly like that. Now using a stool like this, she can place her hands on either side of her leg and then ground herself with her other leg. Now at first, she's just going to relax her leg down. Good, just like that. Now we're going to find the line of pain by just gently rocking side to side 4 times. And she's just going to stop where she feels tension. 2 more, 3, and 4. So stop where you feel the most tension. Good. Now when she feels that, she's then going to go about 1 inch forward and back on that very same line, inhaling and exhaling. Not too far, just keep it about 1 inch that your distance is. And then from there, she's going to stop where she feels the most tension. She's going to straighten her leg and then let it drop down. Good. And one more time, inhale, straighten, and exhale, let it fall. At this point, she's going to make a tiny circle and then reverse that circle and try and really find the line of pain that hurts the most. She's going to go back to the beginning, but this time she's not going to go so far. She'll go about 1 inch across, really honing and zoning in on that area that's painful. She continues to breathe. Once she's done 4 passes across, she'll find the line of pain and go up and down 4 times. Continuing to breathe, staying relaxed, letting the muscle really sink over the ball. Once she's done that, she'll straighten her leg and then let it come down. If she can't straighten it all the way, that's okay. Straighten as much as possible, let it come down, and then do her 2 small swivels. One way, and then reverse. This can be done up to 4 times. You don't really want to beat up a hamstring. And remember that we want to be in the belly of the muscle here, not down too low and not up too high. This is the hamstring release with a lacrosse ball and a foam block.